Somebody, as a joke, bought me a bunch of butt plugs. It's a long story. We get there, and I'm like, where's the pizza? Josh and I were talking about getting colonics together, but we were like, can we get a couple's colonic, but like platonic? Like a platonic colonic? John Stamos.
John Stamos?
Yeah. He was at a party, and I turned into I was a perverted guy. I was like following him into rooms and like staring at his ass. And I puked on his porch. And like, I was in such bad condition, and I look behind me while I'm puking, and Miley Cyrus is there, like, get it together.
Great.
What's anal leakage? Dash, Jen Lawrence.
Liam recently said that you continually say inappropriate things to him. That's not true.
Dental part.
Okay, first of all, if I had gone Hunger Games, like, it would have reached #1.
We will start with 190 and go to 123.
This isn't like an auction, right?
Yes.
You guys are gonna take it away.